So the question is like, when bond prices go down, which is what the whole premise of what I explained about the SVB yield to maturity securities is, you don't get the interest, but you get the principal value back. That's not how it works, okay? So let's just say today I buy a bond. Today a treasury bill pays 2%, right? Let's just say I buy $100 worth of treasuries at 2% in today's rates.
Okay.
Okay. So for simple math, that bond should pay me $2 per year, right? And say I bought a 3-year bond, right? At 2%. So technically I should get $2 times 3 years equals to $6 in interest, right? Right?
Yep.
Okay, you follow me? Okay, so what happens is, just say after the 1 year goes by, the interest rate in the market, which is a whole different explanation, right, is 5% now. The rates have gone up, right? So what happens is bonds, in 1 year from now are basically giving people back $5 per year, right? And I bought a bond that was only paying me $2 per year, right? So what happens is the difference, okay, between $2 and $5 is what? $3, right? So basically, I only get back my $100 bond purchase now is worth 100 minus that difference in interest, $3. It's only worth 97. That's what happened to SVB. SVB bought in 2019, 2020, 21, treasury securities at like 2%, 1.9%. And today, those treasury securities are 5%. So basically what happens is those SVB investments at par, which is pretty much par, it's like 100 or 1,000 or the original value, has gone down by the difference between the interest rates then and today. That difference is how much has devalued their bonds, right? Does that make sense? So for example, it's like this. I lend my neighbor $100 and I told my neighbor, like, hey man, I'll lend you this money for 2% for 3 years. Okay? He goes, okay, fine. For 3 years, I'll give you back $2 a year in interest. Yeah, fine. 1 year goes by, right? And the interest rates are now 5%. And I go to my neighbor, I said, dude, I need my money back. Because my car broke down, whatever it is, right? He says, I tell him, like, just give me the 2% interest for 1 year and give him back my $100. And he goes, no, dude, like, we made a deal. Like, you're supposed to let me have it for 3 years. Now, if I give you this back, I have to go out to the market, which is now 5%, and borrow the money again because he still needs it for 2 more years. That was the deal that he needed it for, right? So basically, he's going to say the difference in interest per year between 5 and 2% is $3 a year, right? So for 2 more years left, for simple math, you add $3 times 2 is $6. So basically what he's going to give me back, sure, he's going to give me back $2 in interest on my $100, right? So that's $2. But my $100 now, I have to minus the difference in interest, which is $3 times 2, because there's 2 more years left, right?
$6.
So minus $6, right? So he gives me back only $94 plus the $2 in interest originally, plus $2, right? So equals to $96. I just lost $4 on my investment because interest rates went from 2% to 5%. Make sense?
Got it.